Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to remove WhatsApp button from your Facebook page. So you have to just open the Facebook page on the Android device or iOS. The solution is for both. So when it's open, so you have to click the profile icon of the page. So there is the add to story below the three dots. So you have to click to the three dots. So there is added action button on the third one, so you have to click to the added action button. So there is the second option is send WhatsApp message, so you have to just click to the one, click to the remove button. So removed the message button from the Facebook. Now your WhatsApp button will remove from the Facebook. So it is very easy and simple. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.